Hello, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's Gifty, the gift to your hair. If you're here, definitely like this video and subscribe for more. I drop video every single week, and you know you love it over here. So this is a 2 months eye tip extensions maintenance. I will link the actual installment in the description box because I do have that video on my YouTube. This is the removal, wash, and reinstallment, which is like the maintenance of the eye tips. So this is how her hair looks. She has some good new growth. I'm going to remove the locks one by one, and then we're gonna wash the hair. To remove the locks, I like to use the pliers, and I simply put the pliers on the eye tip beads and I take that out. Once you fully take out the eye tip beads, I like to go through and comb out to make sure her hair is, good and ready for washing. With the natural extensions, you don't have to worry about your hair. Well, for me, if you come to me, you don't have to worry about your natural hair. I take good care of your natural hair. I'm going to take out the eye tips properly. We go into washing of your own natural hair to make sure your hair is still in good shape. My client is 100% natural, no relaxer. She barely straightens her hair besides coming to me, and her hair reverts back to its natural curly state immediately. So I like to use the Tresemme moisturizing shampoo, and I like to lather that all over my client's hair, really getting it clean and bringing back her natural curly texture. This entire service is going to take me about 5 to 6 hours. It is a long service, so I recommend my clients not having anything else going for that day, and I'll probably only take one person a day for this specific service. That is either the Micro Links initial installment or the touch up, and voila, y'all, her hair is back, curly, full, and beautiful. After we shampoo the hair, I do lather it with the Tresemme conditioner, and it brings back a lot of moisture to her hair to make sure it is hydrated. With natural hair, hydration, it is key. We need hydration to our hair. So after I got done with the washing, which is the shampooing and conditioning of her hair, I am now going to make sure her natural hair is healthy before we get into reinstalling of the links. This is how her texture is. She has full, natural, beautiful hair. I do spray in leave-in keratin. I like to use the leave-in keratin spray. I spray that all over the hair, and I'm gonna use the heat protectant. This product smells so good. I use the Shine Mist heat protectant, and I also use the keratin leave-in spray. Those two products is going to protect her natural hair from the heat that I'm going to be applying right now. And also the keratin helps her hair straighten out when we go into the styling process of the hair. So I'm using my blow dryer and the gifty.org Solve detangling brush to go through and detangle her hair, making sure there is no knots, there is no tangle, there is no, just stuff that could ruin the process of styling. Take your time. I'm not hurting her head, y'all. I tell my clients, if anything is hurting you, let me know. I'm not hurting her hair. If you know the blow drying process, I need to literally get from the root all the way to the end to make sure I blow dry her hair properly. I am not at all pulling on her hair too bad or too tight whatsoever. I am a very gentle client because I experience tender scalp, and I do not want that to be done to my clients. So we're going through and blow drying her hair, making sure every single thing is dry. Again, I'm gonna use heat protectant, and I also use the keratin leave-in spray before going through and putting any heat on her hair. look how flat and neat that is. These eye tips are the same eye tips that I took out of her hair, and then we washed it and I put it right back in. This eye tip is from gifty.org. I provide the hair and the install all together. The price for this type of extensions is $700 to $1,200 depending on the length. It goes up even more. Look how neat and precise those eye tips are. Flat, neat, and precise. You're able to do half up, half down, middle part, side part. The styling options is so endless with this beautiful natural install. And also, if you have natural hair like my client, don't worry about your natural hair getting damaged. I take special precaution making sure you don't have heat damage, and then I do give you guys tips and tricks on how do you keep your hair looking great at home without having to continuing putting heat on your hair. So don't worry, y'all. Coming to Gifty, the gift to your hair, you are in safe hands. After we put the eye tips on, now we're going to begin the styling process of the install. I have basically put in all the eye tips now, and I'm going over and straightening out her roots to make sure that it's flat and seamless. I'm using my hot comb, the Ion Titanium hot comb, the purple one, and I'm doing the chase method with my hot comb and the rat tail comb. I'm gonna proceed to actually styling the hair. She wants to do body wave this time. The first install we kept it straight middle part. She loves her middle part, so we're gonna keep it middle part, but we're gonna do a beautiful body wave this time. The highlights color that you see, we didn't color her natural hair whatsoever. I do provide eye tips in different colors, so this is just one of the colors that we had available, and she wanted to spice up her hair, so I added streaks of blonde and honey brown into the eye tips with her yaki texture eye tips to create like this highlighted look. But none of her natural hair was colored whatsoever. for example, if you wanted to do like a full-on red look but you have black hair, girl, you don't gotta color your hair whatsoever. I can do that for you. You want to do blonde, I could do that for you too. You want to do orange, I could do that for you too. The I-tip extensions are so perfect for versatility, adding color, adding length, and looking natural while rocking extensions. Okay, if you're interested in this service, don't forget to check the description box. I will have the link below. This service requires a consultation, so you do have to come in and get a consultation with me to make sure we get the right texture for you, pick the right length. I go over maintenance details. Like, this is a luxury service. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a luxury service. It's gonna cost you some coins, but you're going to love it. The naturalness, the versatility, the endless styling option, if that is what you're looking for, this is the look for you. And if you're interested, you don't know what you're doing with the natural extensions, definitely check the description box. I have consultations available. If you're unable to do a consultation in person, I have Zoom consultation. I have everything that you would need. So definitely check it out down below the description box and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.